Welcome to the Medtronic Foundation Community Partner Spotlight.
I'm with Kim Harkins with the Minnesota Resuscitation Consortium, and they have teamed up with Medtronic and the U of M to do the Heart Rescue Project. And the reason for this is that a lot of us don't know the difference between a sudden cardiac arrest and a heart attack, and you could be in a situation with something happening and we wouldn't necessarily know what to do. Why did you think it was important to actually make this an entire project?
Well, sudden cardiac arrest is the #1 killer of Americans. It affects over 400,000 people every year. And a heart attack, which is more kind of a plumbing issue, often sends people to the emergency room or to their physician. A sudden cardiac arrest is just that. It's sudden, and it requires immediate action. The person is down on the ground, they are not breathing, not moving, and they need someone to start CPR immediately. Call 911. Get EMS going and start CPR.
And if that is making you fearful, you can go to the website because they make it very simple. We go through these long CPR classes and people come out and I think a month or two later they don't necessarily remember what they learned. This website and this video that you can watch, it's a simulator, is really amazing in the fact that it makes it much easier if you were ever in that situation.
Right, the Save a Life Simulator is a web interactive tool that will actually take you through how to do CPR. You get to make some choices and actually work your way through it. It only takes a very short amount of time, and it has been viewed by over 3 million people so far. So we know that it's really having an impact out there, and hopefully will change people's concept and their fear around CPR.
Thank you so much, Kim, for coming in, and be sure to take a look at the Save a Life Simulator as soon as you get a chance.
For more information on the Minnesota Resuscitation Consortium, call 612-626-1382 or go to mrc.umn.edu or heartrescuenow.com to try the Save a Life Simulator.